Start with the chapter Arithmetic Progression, chapter 5. Okay. First, let us understand the meaning of it. Say, for example, you take series 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, and so on. Is it? Now, if I ask you to find out the 25th term, what will be the value of the 25th term? Can you find out? Sanjay? Bindi? No, it will take time. So let's see how to find it out. 825. If I want to find out the value of 25th term, then write it here, 25 minus 1. What is a common difference? Common difference is 2. You can see here 2 plus 2, 4. 4 plus 2, 6. 6 plus 2, 8. So common difference is 2. So multiply it with 2. What is the first term here? 2. So add it 2. So what I get it? A raised to 20, A25 is 2 plus 24 into 2. So A25 is equal to 2 plus 48. So A25 is equal to 2 plus 48 is equal to 50. From this, I want to find out the general formula for it. So in place of 25, you just write n. And in place of 2, you write d. And in place of 2 again, you write a. So how your formula will look like? An is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Isn't it? Is it? You put here n. So n, 25. So n minus 1. This was your 2 was common difference. You wrote as 2. This you wrote as a, which is 2 here, which was the first term. So your formula become an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Now from this you understood where this formula is used. This formula is used to find out the value of any given term in the series. So let's start with exercise, say exercise 5.1. Question number 1. A taxi fare after each kilometer when the fare is rupees 15 for the first kilometer. So what is represent the first kilometer? The first kilometer represent here your first term A, which is rupees 15, and 8 rupees for each additional kilometers. For additional kilometer represent your common difference, which is represented by D, is rupees 8. Since in the formula we have A, we have found out A as well as D, so therefore this series is AP. AP means arithmetic progression. Got it? Now let's take a second example. The amount of air present in the cylinder when a vacuum pump removes 1/4 of air remaining in the cylinder at a time. If you look at this problem, 1/4 of the air remaining in the cylinder, that is given, remaining in the cylinder. But how much volume is given? Volume of air how much volume of air is to be removed, it is not given. Means to say that there is no fixed volume. What it means? It is not fixed volume means first term is not given. First term is not given. So it cannot be. So it cannot be AP. Isn't it? Now let's take third sum. The cost of digging a well after every meter of digging, when it costs is rupees 50 for the first meter. For the first meter is rupees 150. It's emphasized that it is a first term. Is it? Now, thereafter it is raises by rupees 50. Okay, raises by rupees 50 for each subsequent meter, which gives us common difference. Okay, so what we got? We got A, we got D, isn't it? So it is AP. Okay, now let's look at the third term. In the third term, now let's see the fourth sum. So let's see the fourth sum. The amount of money in the account every year when 10,000 is deposited at the compound interest at a rate of 8% per annum. Here 10,000 deposited is your first term A, and every year the amount is increasing unevenly. How? So A is equal to, see, first year it is 8 upon 100 raised to 1. So A will be your P1 plus 0.08 raised to 1. For the second year, it will be A is equal to P1 plus 0.08 raised to 2. And for the third year, it will be P1 plus 0.08 raised to 3. It is increasing unevenly, so D is not fixed, and therefore it is not AP. Okay. Now let's move on to the question number 2. A is given. Write first 4 term of AP. When first term is A, the common difference D are given. So A is equal to 10. D is also 10. We have to find the arithmetic series and also additional 4. So what will be the first one? First series, A will be A, and second one, A2 will be A plus D. So it will be 10 plus 10, it will be 20. Then A3 will be A2 plus D. it will be 20 plus 10, it will be 30. And A4 will be A3 plus D, it will be 30 plus 10 is equal to 40. Is it? So you got your term as AP series as 10, 20, 30, 40. Is it? Let's look the second example where A is equal to minus 2, D is equal to 0. Is it? So how we'll do it? A1 we say, or A is equal to minus 2. A2 what we say? It is A1 plus D, that is minus 2 plus 0, again it is minus 2. A3 is what? A2 plus D, it is minus 2 plus 2 is equal to again minus 2. A4 is what? A3 plus D is equal to minus 2 plus 0 is equal to minus 2. With D is equal to minus 3, A1 is equal to A is equal to 4, A2 is A1 plus D, 4 minus 3 is equal to 1, A3 is A2 plus D, 1 minus 3 is equal to minus 2, A4 is equal to A3 plus D, minus 2 minus 3 is equal to minus 5. So the first four terms are 4, 1, minus 2, minus 5. Let's move on to the next questions. Here A is equal to minus 1, D is equal to half. So A1 is equal to A is equal to minus 1. A2 is equal to A1 plus D. So minus 1 plus half is equal to, take LCM, minus 2 plus 1 upon 2. Minus 2 plus 1 is minus 1. So minus 1 by 2. A3 is A2 plus D. So minus half plus half. Minus half and plus half cancel out. It is become 0. A4 is equal to A3 plus D. 0 plus half is equal to half. So the first four terms are minus 1, minus half, 0 and half. Let's move on to the next question. Here A is equal to minus 1.25, D is equal to minus 0.25. So A1 is equal to A is minus 1.25. A2 is equal to A1 plus D. Here A1 is minus 1.25 and D is also minus 0.25. So minus minus, the sign will be minus, but it too will be added. It becomes minus 1.50. The same A3 will be equal to A2 plus D. A2 is minus 1.50 minus D is 0.5. Again it become minus 1.75. The same like A4 is equal to A3 plus D minus 1.75 minus 0.25 is equal to minus 2. Is it? So the first four terms are minus 1.25, minus 1.50, minus 1.75, minus